How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 990 V3 in this black, green, and yellow colorway. Today's video is brought to you by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material used for Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below, and you'll see they sell 4 different insole options. So depending on the type of insole density and cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of boots or for sneakers, you're gonna find there's something for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly are very comfortable. So if you guys wanna check them out, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is my latest New Balance pickup, which is the 990 V3 silhouette. The style code for this shoe is M990CP3, and this pair retails for a price of $180 US or $280 here in Canada. So this is another made in USA New Balance, and while I wasn't necessarily in love with this colorway at first glance, it was a very interesting colorway and it grew on me the more I looked at it. So diving straight into the details, so the base layer of this shoe, this is constructed out of this black colored nylon or mesh material. Overlaid on top, we have this perforated dark green colored nubuck, which covers both sides of the toe box, and we have a hit of reflective 3M at the very bottom. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have a very buttery green colored suede. And then moving downwards, the quarter panel of the shoe, this is covered in this black colored suede, and stitched on top of this, we have the New Balance N logo, which is also done in that reflective 3M material, and this is done in a combination of silver, green, and an outline of yellow. Moving further back towards the end of the shoe, so we have more of that black colored mesh material alongside that perforated dark green colored nubuck. And then wrapping around the bottom of the back heel, we have more of that very soft, very buttery green colored suede. On the lateral side, we have 990 branding done in the silver colored finish. And then in the middle of the shoe, we have this yellow colored nubuck with a square New Balance logo in the center, along with this reflective silver material on the very top with Made in USA branding in the center and these perforations on either side. Turning our attention back to the front of the shoe, so for the laces, these only come with one pair of laces, and they're just your standard flat style lace in black. Underneath this, the tongue is constructed out of this black colored mesh on the bottom, and we have this padded silver colored nylon on the very top, and pressed on top we have New Balance USA branding. The interior of the shoe is lined in this gray or silver colored textile, and these come with a thick foam padded insole. We have New Balance 990 V3 branding stamped on the heel, along with that famous clock tower which is found in New Balance's Lawrence, Massachusetts location. So the upper of these 990 V3s sits atop this absorbed foam midsole. This midsole is left in this white color on the forefoot, and in addition to the absorb, we also have an end cap wedge, which is this lime green finish that you see on the back heel. An end cap is comprised of a softer EVA core surrounded by a stiffer polyurethane rim, which gives you a good balance between stability and comfort. And then right above this midsole, surrounding the bottom of the back heel, we have this black colored TPU heel clip with New Balance branding in the center, and this helps with additional support and stability for the back end of the shoe. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, so the outsole here is constructed out of this black colored rubber. We have these flex grooves on the forefoot along with this diamond shaped traction pattern, and we have this carbon fiber shank plate in the middle, which helps with torsional rigidity and midfoot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these 990 V3s. And for those wondering how these fit, to me these fit like most of my other 990 V3s, so I personally go a half size down to a size 9.5. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I go a half size down in a lot of my New Balance silhouettes, including the 990 V3, V4, V5, the 992, the 550, and the 998. And in comparison, I stick with a size 10 or true to size in the 2002R, the 997, the 1500, and the 1530. Next up, in terms of comfort, I find that the 990 V3 is a very comfortable shoe. With the combination of absorb and end cap, I have that good balance of softness and plushness along with stability. So if I wear this shoe for many hours in a day, I don't really feel too much fatigue or pain in the arches of my feet, which happens sometimes if I wear shoes that are just overly soft and overly mushy. So when people ask me for a recommendation for a shoe that's going to be very comfortable for long-term wear, I definitely don't hesitate to point them to the 990 series. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so this shoe was very solid. This being a made in USA pair, the materials I felt were very premium and I thought they were very high quality. And in terms of the overall build, I really had no issues at all with my pair. I thought it was very solidly put together, so no issues and no complaints on that front. So with all that being said now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. While this is not your typical New Balance colorway, I think that's part of the reason why I was definitely drawn to it. And the colorway itself is very unique, almost like a Oregon Duck sort of colorway. This is definitely not a shoe that's going to be for everyone. I know some people definitely hate it, but at the same time, the fact that it's so unique will draw people in as well. So let me know in the comment section down below which side you stand on. Are you guys feeling the colorway of this shoe, or is this a pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.